apply og thickness para makuha niya ang katong uniform. Okay, slab weight is equals to unit weight of concrete times the thickness of the slab, which is 0.11. So that is equals to 2.64 kPa. Kanang 2.64 mo na additional di mo sa superimposed dead load. Okay, the dead load is equals to the superimposed plus the slab of the weight. So the total dead load is 4.14 kPa. So factored load is 1.2 for 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. Wala gihatag use 1.2 plus 1.6 ha. Okay, 1.2 times dead load nga 4.14 plus 1.6 times live load nga 2.7 kPa. So the factored load is 9.288 kPa. Okay, so since this is simply supported, so pwede tayo mag WLN squared over M or this one. Dili ta mag-use ani kay this is on design right? Investigation man ito. Sakto na to siya. WLN over WLN squared over 8. Okay, so the MU is WLN squared over 8. Simply supported man siya investigation. So therefore, the MU is 18.576 kilonewton. So ato siyang i-check. Solve na to ang maximum MNT. No? So 38. So CT, this is CT is equals to 38 of D. The effective depth is 110 nga height minus 20 nga clear cover minus katunga sa bar diameter. So the effective depth is 85. So 38 of 85, that is 31.9. The A is equals to beta 1C, so that is equivalent to 27.1. So MNT is equals to 35.71. If you multiply na itong reduction factor, that is equivalent to 32.14, which is sulod ra tong MU. Therefore, this is a singly reinforced tension controlled bar. Okay? So that is less than. So the beam or slab is tension controlled. Reduction factor is 0.9. So pwede ito mag-use of Rn. Rn is equals to Mu over reduction factor BD squared. So 2.857. So still ratio is 0.01135. So AS minimum, check na to. 1.4 over Fy. So it's equivalent to 0.0051. Okay, so that is greater than pa nga to ang still ratio kumpara sa Romin. So therefore, we use the still ratio nga 0.01135. Okay, so AS is equals to rho times BD. So the AS is equals to 9652 mm squared. So calculate for the spacing. Spacing is equals to sige, kuha na to daan ang minimum. AS minimum is equals to 220 mm squared. So man siya 965 man. So sulod rata sa AS mo. Okay, so spacing na yun. Spacing is equals to 100 AB over AS. So 1,000 times 1,000 times pi over 4 times 10 squared divided by 965. So the spacing is 81.4. But we need to check first for the minimum of maximum. Okay, so itong minimum, ano sa itong maximum spacing? The lesser of 3H and 450. So,
ako'y naglungag, ana.
Is equivalent to 330. So 450, so mas gamay ang 330. So therefore, the maximum spacing is 330. Check nimo. Okay, sulod ra ta. So how about the minimum, no? Wala na yan nakalculate ang minimum. So the minimum is minimum spacing is the greater of 50 mm. Dayon bar diameter is isa yang gigamit 10 mm. Dayon 4/3 sa bar aggregate, so 50.8. So the minimum spacing is 50.8, which is sulod ra gyapon atong spacing. Therefore, the spacing is 81.4. Unsa man ang answer sa choices? 80 or 85? Again, pag spacing, dili ka pwede mo round up. Kay mo round up ka, malagyo siya. Kung malagyo siya, ma-weak imong structure. So the correct answer is letter A. 80. Hindi ka pwede mag 85 ah. Mag-run up ka basta sa PC. Okay, forward. Ako i-check ko na pa ba ko yung additional exam.